After looting the rich and wealthy nation India, colonizers finally decided to leave on 15th August 1947. India got its independence. Today, India is celebrating its 74th Independence Day. Over these years of reconstruction, India, as a developing nation, has achieved many achievements which even developed nations fail to. Hello everyone, this is your Akash and you are tuned into Raregen. In this video, we will spot a light on the achievements of independent India. So, any further ado, let's get started. Conducting elections in a democratic nation like India, with over 1.3 billion people and 911 people eligible to vote, is not an easy task to do. But since its independence, India has been successfully conducting elections over the period of 5 years. For every successive elections, millions of people adds up for casting their votes, which makes the next elections more complex and difficult than the previous one. This makes India the largest democratic nation in the world. When India declared its independence, the nominal GDP was 2.7 lakh crore rupees, and it is equals to 3% of world's total GDP. After 74 years, the nominal GDP is 240 lakh crore rupees, which is 100 times of the GDP which was at 1947, and the purchasing power parity or PPP GDP is 824.42 lakh crore rupees, and the nominal GDP shares 3.8% and PPP GDP shares 7.45% each, respectively, of world's total GDP. India ranks at the 5th in the production of passenger cars, light commercial vehicles, minibuses, trucks, buses and coaches, behind China, United States, Japan and Germany. India's prestigious organization ISRO grabbed global attention by successfully launching Mangalyaan into the orbit of Mars in its first attempt. And no other space agencies in the world has done it before ISRO in their first attempt. Indigenously developed BrahMos cruise missile in collaboration with Russia is the fastest cruise missile in the world with speed over 2 Mach, and it can be launched from submarines, ships, aircrafts and land with an accuracy of 1 meter circular error probable. Poverty rate at the time of British departure was at 70%, but today the poverty rate in India is 12.4%. Indian literacy rate has grown to 74.04% from 12% at the end of British rule in 1947. The last census was recorded in 2011. So 74.04% of literacy rate in India was recorded at 2011. The new data will be available in 2021. And I'm sure that the literacy rate would just boom up to 90%. India ranked 23rd for world's best startup ecosystem. So these are very small achievements in this small video which are achieved by India. India as a nation is reconstructing itself after the 200 years of rule by colonizers. India is not the India which is left looted in 1947. With a GDP growth of 7.0%, India has already left UK behind in the race. India didn't show its full potential yet, but in coming years, India will reflourish with its rich culture, diversity, wealth and health. Happy Independence Day to each and every citizen of India. Yes, we are developing, but not so far to be developed. Jai Hind.